Hi friends, welcome to Crackew's video series. Hope you all have done well in your IIFT exam. Today in this session, we are going to discuss about the most important general awareness questions for the forthcoming TISNET and CMAT. For more such videos, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Let's see the first question. Who is the author of the book Viveka Deepini? The author of this book is Adi Shankaracharya. This book was released by Vice President Venkaiah Naidu. This book is the summary of Prashnottara Ratnamalika written by Adi Shankaracharya. It is translated into 10 languages. Next question. Vaseline is the product of which company? Vaseline is the product of Pond's company. Pond started manufacturing Vaseline since 1969. Next question. Sudhirman Cup is associated with which sport? Sudhirman Cup is associated with badminton sport. Founder of this cup is Badminton World Federation. In the year 1989. Next question. In which year SBI was nationalized? SBI was nationalized in the year 1955. Atal Pension Yojana was launched in which year? Atal Pension Yojana was launched in the year 2015. It was formerly known as Swavalamban Yojana. In 2015 budget speech, the Finance Minister Arun Jaitley has announced this. It was launched by Narendra Modi on May 9th in Kolkata. The present Finance Minister is Nirmala Sitharaman. Study of fruits is called as pomology. Onychology is the study of nails. Hematology is the study of blood. And trichology is the study of hair. Naval Aviation Museum is located in which state of India? It is located in Goa of India. It is founded on 12th October 1998. Which train has the longest rail route in India? Vivek Express has the longest rail route in India. It is from Dibrugarh to Kanyakumari. It is the longest rail route in India and 24th longest rail route in the world. AIADMK is a political party. What does it stand for? It stands for All India Anna Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam. The founder of this party is M.G. Ramachandran. It was founded in October 17th, 1972. Which city housed the headquarters of UNICEF, also known as the United Nations Children's Fund? The headquarters of UNICEF is located in New York. It was founded in the year 1946. During ancient times, lands that now constitute which country were known as Mesopotamia? Now Iraq is known as the ancient Mesopotamia. Mesopotamia means land between two rivers. The two rivers were Euphrates and Tigris. These both rivers originated in eastern Turkey and flow south towards Persian Gulf. Which Veda is associated with medicine? Atharva Veda is associated with medicine. Rig Veda is the oldest Veda. It contains Samhitas and Upanishads. Yajurveda contains mantras and formulas of mantras to be uttered. Samaveda contains music. Booker Prize will be awarded every year in the field of philosophy. Who is its winner in the year 2020? Douglas Stewart is the winner of the year 2020 for the book Shuggie Bain. Margaret Atwood is the winner for the Testaments book in 2019. Anna Burns was the winner in 2018 for the book Milkman. And George Saunders was the winner in 2017 for the book Lincoln in the Garden. Sambalpuri fabric is a famous fabric in which state of India? It is the famous fabric in Odisha state of India. The famous fabric of Andhra Pradesh is Kalamkari. Famous fabric of Madhya Pradesh is Chanderi. And famous fabric of Maharashtra is Paithani brocade. The famous Dalhousie hill station is located in which state of India? It is located in Himachal Pradesh state of India in Chamba district. To download CMAT previous papers, please do visit our website CrackU. What strait divides Persian Gulf and Gulf of Oman? Strait of Hormuz divides Persian Gulf and Gulf of Oman. Malacca Strait divides Malay Peninsula and Indonesian island of Sumatra. Park Strait divides Tamil Nadu and Sri Lanka. And Sunda Strait divides Indonesian islands of Java and Sumatra. Kiwi fruit is the national fruit of which country? Kiwi fruit is the national fruit of China. The national fruit of India is mango. National fruit of Japan is persimmon. And national fruit of Australia is rickberry. Next question. Who is the Director General of the Central Bureau of Investigation at present? Rishi Kumar Shukla is the Director General of Central Bureau of Investigation at present. Toshali National Crafts Mela is famous in which state of India? It is famous in Odisha state of India. Odisha CM Naveen Patnaik has inaugurated the annual Toshal National Crafts Mela in Bhubaneswar. Governor of Orissa is Ganeshi Lal. Which ministry has launched a national migration support portal called as Shram Shakti? Union Ministry of Tribal Affairs has launched the support portal called as Shram Shakti. Sri Arjun Munda has launched it during a virtual program organized at Goa. Next question. Which state's chief minister has inaugurated India's longest road arch bridge called as Vehru Bridge? Meghalaya state's chief minister has inaugurated this bridge. His name is Conrad K. Sangma. Governor of Meghalaya is Satyapal Malik. And capital of Meghalaya is Shillong. Which state is going to be inaugurating the first child-friendly police station? The first child-friendly police station is being inaugurated in Uttarakhand state of India. Uttarakhand CM has announced this. The CM of Uttarakhand is Trivendra Singh Rawat. This is to be set up in Dalanwala police station. Next question. Who has launched Himachal Pradesh's first online youth radio station called as Radio Hills Yangistan Ka Dil? It was been launched by Jairam Thakur. Jairam Thakur is the CM of Himachal Pradesh. Deepak and Saurabh are the founders of this radio station, and Bandaru Dattatreya is the governor of Himachal Pradesh. Next question. Who has been appointed as the managing director of LIC? Siddhartha Mohanty has been appointed as managing director of LIC. LIC was established in 1956 and its headquarters is in Mumbai. Next question. The Chief Minister of Bihar, Nitish Kumar, has inaugurated the first ever bird festival of the state, Kalrav, at which bird sanctuary? He inaugurated this bird festival in Nagi Nakti Bird Sanctuary. It is in Jamui district of Bihar. Next question. The first of its kind Labour Movement Museum in India would be launched in which district of Kerala to showcase the history of World Labour Movement? It is to be launched in Alappuzha district of Kerala. The New Model Cooperative Society Limited, previously run by Bombay Company, has been converted to Labour Movement Museum. Which state government has launched the scheme One School One IAS? Kerala state government has launched the scheme One School One IAS. The governor of Kerala has announced this. His name is Arif Muhammad Khan. And CM of Kerala is Pinarayi Vijayan. World Water Day is observed on which date? World Water Day is observed on March 22nd. Somgol Lake is located in which state of India? Somgol Lake is located in Sikkim state of India. It's a glacial lake. Friends, CrackU is providing 5 latest pattern mocks for CMAT for just 299 rupees. Please do enroll those mocks for your practice. Moving to the next question. In which country the headquarters of PETA is located? PETA is People for Ethical Treatment of Animals. Headquarters of PETA is located in USA, in Norfolk of Virginia. It is established in the year 1980. Next question. According to the periodic table, which of the following is the 27th element? According to the periodic table, cobalt is the 27th element. Zinc is the 30th element. Nickel is the 28th element and copper is the 29th element. Cobalt belongs to the transition elements, transition metals. Kallanai Dam is constructed across which river? Kallanai Dam is constructed across Kaveri River in Tamil Nadu. Next question. Cinnamon is obtained from which of the following plant parts? It is obtained from bark of a tree. Niacin is the scientific name of which vitamin? Niacin is the scientific name of B3 vitamin. Vitamin B is the water soluble vitamin. B1 is thiamine. B2 is riboflavin or riboflavin. B12 is cyanocobalamin. Next question. Which color has the longest wavelength? Red color has the longest wavelength. Among which year? We know that when a white light is passed through a prism, we get these colors of lights. 7 colors of light. This is how the rainbow is formed. Violet has 440 lambda meters wavelength. Indigo has 460. Blue color has 460 to 500 and red color has 620 to 700. Next question. National Youth Festival is celebrated on the birth anniversary of which of the following personalities? It is celebrated on the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda. The theme of this festival is celebrating diversity. Swami Vivekananda was born in the year 1863 in Kolkata. Dadri Power Station is located in which of the following states? Dadri Power Station is located in Uttar Pradesh state, in Gautam Buddha Nagar. The first dam of India was built in the Indian state of Tamil Nadu. It was the Kallanai Dam across Kaveri River. Next question. The headquarters of the Indian Institute of Astrophysics is located in Bangalore and it is established in the year 1971. First Indian woman to successfully scale Mount Makalu is Priyanka Mohite. Next question. Which of the following monuments is known as Place of Winds? Hawa Mahal of Jaipur, Rajasthan is known as Place of Winds. Rajghat is the memorial of Mahatma Gandhi. It is located behind Red Fort of Delhi. Friends, CrackU is providing the previous papers of TISNET. Please do check our website and download it. Moving to the next question. National emblem of India is taken from Mauryan pillar located at Sarnath in Uttar Pradesh state. Next question. The group of monuments at Pattadakal are located in the state of Karnataka. The famous Dilwara temples are in Mount Abu, which is in the state of Rajasthan. Which of the following institutes is India's National Academy of Letters? Sahitya Academy is India's National Academy of Letters. This organization is dedicated to literature and poetry. It was established in the year 1954. Who among the following built the Charminar? Quli Qutub Shah has built the Charminar. It is located in Hyderabad. Friends, CrackU is providing 5 latest patent TISNET mocks for just 299 rupees. Please do check our website and enroll for those mocks. Those will be helpful for your exam. Guru Shikhar is the highest peak in which of the following? It is the highest peak in Aravalli range. Aravalli range is in Rajasthan. These are folded mountain types. That is, Aravalli range comes under folded mountain category. What is Jhum? Jhum is a type of cultivation. It is also known as slash and burn cultivation. It is the process of growing crops by first clearing the land of trees and vegetation and burning them. Thereafter, the burned soil contains potash, which increases the nutrient content in the soil. Neel Darpan was written by Dinabandhu Mitra to portray the oppression faced by peasants to grow indigo in West Bengal. Dinabandhu Mitra was born in the year 1830. Hope you all liked the video. For more such video contents, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for daily updates. Thank you.